What's up guys? Today we're going to be having quite a chilled day. I think me and Rye are going to go out. We're in the Beamer. We're going to go out and just look for some nice spots and get some cool cinematic shots and stuff like that. I haven't really done much cinematic stuff before and I'm just going to be filming on the Canon G7X. But yeah, I'm going to pick Rye up and then we'll see how it goes. Just do sort of like a day vlog type thing, I think. So yeah, let's get into it. Rye just about fits in there.
That is not me. Not the first time on YouTube. Get me.
He's struggling to get in the seat.
Yeah, so you have to be about 11 stone to fit into this car. I'm about 5 over.
Let's go. Right, so we're at spot number 1. Don't know. Get some rollers. This is Rye, by the way.
You alright?
Yeah, so I don't know what the plan is. We'll just get some rollers down here, maybe get some shots. The lighting's not great here, but we'll go to a few different spots, I think.
So, E36 life with Max Fuller. What's happened here then?
Alright, just a little bit low.
Yeah?
18 PSI. Thought it felt a bit spongy.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, this wheel was 18 PSI and on the other side we had 40. So there you go. Just shows how much Max really does care about his car.
Tyres are the one thing that I always forget to pump up.
Yeah?
What's that saying over there?
That now says 40 PSI, just for the drifting. Yeah?
We do not do such things.
Of course not. Well, we are in Mexico, so it's fine. We're in Mexico.
Go find some private roads that I know loads of people own.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
So we just came to this spot and apparently this whole road is a private road and we're not allowed to be on it.
Yeah, some guy that lives about
a mile that way.
a mile that way just drove down in his X5 posh. He said, "Can you move or can you leave?" And Max was just like, "Yeah, we're just having a fag, just looking." And he goes, "Oh, it's like someone parking on the driveway." Fuck me, mate. If this is your driveway, well done. Because you own 3 miles of tarmac country road.
We're just going to get some photos and stuff. I've got a few little bits, but probably not enough to make a clip, I don't know. We'll just go drive, see what we can find. Running out of places, everywhere's too busy today, so we'll go for a little cruise and see what we find. Posh people.
Dude, this is a sick road.
That wasn't me, that was him.
I know.
Right, spot number 3.
You alright?
You alright? Yeah, I'm alright, yeah. Like you're talking to them.
Do you want to do this again? I wasn't ready.
No, this is staying in now.
Hey everyone, you alright?
Yeah, it's quite a nice view. Right. Smack camera into my face.
You should just look in a little bit.
Right, I'll get a little montage now.
Take it?
We all know you take it, right? I've got the exposure really high. Jeez! So. Oh yeah. Got a sexy pose. Banging. Go on mate, you can do it. Go on son, go on mate. A few more pedals, you've only got miles to go. This breeze is so nice. It looks like it's going to hammer it down. UK weather. My legs are just shaking, trying to balance. Right, so I think that's going to be it for today. Probably quite a short video, but I don't know. It's just a chilled weekend. Chilled day, alright?
Alright.
Every time I put the camera on you, right?
No, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. We've had fun and...
Yeah, been kicked out of places.
Yeah. It's
Some
fun.
yeah.
Beep that if you want. Yeah, end of today. It's been fun. We'll do it again.
Don't know what the clips will turn out like, we'll see. Right, see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. No, seriously, like, comment, and subscribe.